Keeping dry indoor air humidified? Your family's health depends on it. Electric humidifiers are noisy and expensive, messy and difficult to clean. Plus, they soak everything around them. Now, there's a safe and green solution with the Green Humidifier. The innovative design consists of 13 tunnels that continuously mix warm and cool air, quickly generating humidity with no moving parts. When your home's air is humidified, you'll experience relief from asthma, scratchy throats, and dry noses. And you'll appreciate the improvements in your skin's complexion. The patented polyester filter keeps bacteria and mold under control. Wash in the dishwasher or soak in vinegar and water. Go green and watch the savings add up.